Are you able to perform some impact tests on the pylon, please?
Yes, of course. We can start now.
Great, thank you.
Başlayabiliriz. Başlayalım. Biraz daha güçlü.
So here we can clearly see the impacts happening. Hassan, can you mute your microphone, please? Thank you. So we can clearly see some big impacts happening here. The system has alerted immediately, and we have an alert here that's following the activity on the system waterfall. We have an alert in the events page, and we have an alert on the map as well that's directly on top of the pylon.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And so we can clearly see this activity here on the waterfall. We have some other noise on the waterfall. This is from wind, but as you can see, the wind noise is not causing alerts or false alerts.
Right.
We have some other background noise over here, but these are from unrelated events. The only thing causing alerts on the system at the moment is the activity of our field team here on the right-hand side hitting the pylon lightly with a hammer. You can also see the activity has now turned orange, or it's escalated to a medium alert. And for this system configuration, after 90 seconds, it will go to a red alert or a high alert, as it's just done here on the system. So it's updated on the waterfall, it's updated on the map, and it's updated in the events page.
Right.
So these alerts can be sent to all kinds of different interfaces. So I can click this event here, and I have different options available to me. So I can edit the event and add a comment. So I can say impact on pylon, for instance. Click OK. And you can see this comment has been added to the event up here in the database. The event table itself shows the start time, the finish time, which is updating, the distance along the cable. So this activity is happening at 11 kilometers along the fiber optic cable. If I click on the event details, it will tell me what detector has created the event type itself, and the GPS coordinates, so that any operators and ground teams and security teams can go straight